Good afternoon, everyone. This is Shailaja from EC department. I would like to share today regarding presentation app, and one more is screen recording app. Presentation app, we have different apps. Actually, we always, for a presentation, we always use a PPT PowerPoint presentation of MS. We also have different apps as all. Many of you are aware that Prezi app, Prezi. For presentation, we have Sway, uh, which is a Microsoft based presentation app. So today I am just going to explain you or share a knowledge about Sway. I'll just introduce you to Sway presentation. You can explore it more. And one more important app I am just, or tool I am just using is Screencast-O-Matic. Now whatever I am recording is using this Screencast-O-Matic. So first I will just go for Sway. So for Sway, one important thing you must have is you must only have a Microsoft account. You have to create a Microsoft account. Already I have created my Microsoft account. So this is already I have created. So I have already I am logged in. So in that, if you could see, the options will be given, many options. These are all the PPTs what I have prepared using this Sway, and we have many templates also provided. You can utilize the templates. It is free of cost. There is no upgrade of it. Only the thing is you must have a Microsoft account. So it is easy and it is very interesting actually. So first we'll go for create new. Once you open it, create new, you will have a storyline and design, two options. First storyline, this is the first slide, and I can give my title like ICT tools. So I can, even this background that is related to the title, I can give even an image. I can provide some ICT tools. So this image I can get. So I can just drag it and you can place it here. See that you are acknowledging the copyright, because it is including copyright, it is given. So you have to acknowledge the image. Next, or else if you have your own, image in your on your desktop, you can drag and place it here. And next thing, I can just go for text. Heading is done, so I can go for text relating to different IC tools. I can write discussions on different tools. So I can write, I can emphasize it, that is I can bold them, I can increase the font size, everything I can do using this. I can provide a bullets. So next slide, if you just see the slide to open, heading, text you need, image you need. If you want only text, if you want only media, that is you can upload even a video. If you have any video, you can also upload a video. In the place of image, you can upload the video and you can explain about it. So I am just going for image. So I can drag and drop it from my desktop. So just this I can drop. I can just drop it here, drag and drop the image, and I can write about that image. Whatever the image I have created the image. I can write something about tools. Just I am giving tools, so I can just give it. And one more important thing is, in this you have a focus point. If one's focus point is, if in the image, if I want to focus on one point, on specific image, part of image, I can focus it. So if I just click there, I'll click here, I will save it, insert, I can save it. So then next tool, then I can go for text. related to image, whatever is there, I can write about that image here. I am writing any poster presentation or something, whatever I have to put an image, I am writing about that image, different tools. So I'll prepare a total, I'll prepare the PPTs. Once it is done, I'll go for even design of it. So I can just go for styles, different styles. So I can go this or this. You have many options provided, given. If you just see, many options are given. You can choose any one of the option. So you can go for storyline and you can go for design. Then once it is done, you can play. If you just play, you could see actually normal Microsoft PowerPoint, what you see, normal PPT, if you just see, it will come in a vertical way. That is, slides will be in vertical form, one after the other. Here it will sway like horizontal one. So that's why you can just click, this is the title. I can just explain the image. I can add one more text here, and that I can add about that text, and I can focus a point. I did not save it, so it is not focusing. I can focus on a particular image. I can go to that again. I can explain it. This is how we can use this sway, and you can say edit it again. You can share it. You will have a link also. You can publish it in sway itself. Once it is saved, you can save it, create new, duplicate, you can save, copy the same slide, you can print, you can export, you have many options. You can share also, you can share it, you'll have a link, you can directly send this link to your students. So through Facebook, Twitter, anything you can share it. So this is how this way is useful. As I told that this is important, where I can add an image as well as I can also add a video and explain it. So this is how I can prepare my presentation effectively. So I liked it very much.